SouFLoTV, welcome once again. I like my Angry Bird background. Anyway, watch this. My day I pray a thing. I watch a story, right? I come out of Jamaica, and the story says some people wicked, you know? Some people rascal, wicked, John. Hear this. So this story I come out of Jamaica where said a cousin of a 83-year-old woman. A cousin of an 83-year-old woman clean out the woman's bank account and left $120 in there. When I first read the story, you see me, I say, I wonder if he left $120,000 in there. $120. If you know the exchange rate, you know say $120 are barely $1 that. Cause the thing are 117, I believe right now, to the dollar. You know how much money woman they have in there? The 83-year-old woman, the whole woman, he will have 7.4 million. A 69 I got 70, about 69 I got 70,000 US dollar that man. Anyway, I will heap of money that. Now, me no know, some people fool and some people don't have a heart. And they have one saying where say, see a fool, use a fool. So, but oh God man, if you do that to your cousin, and as the story goes, the lady said, the 83-year-old woman said, she carried her cousin go at bank, at NBC, or NCB, or which one? Anyway, cousin go to my bank and putting cousin on the account so that the cousin can take care of business in her absence. And she tell her, say, you know, give her one debit card to linking her to the account, but under the condition that she must only pull out money for serious issues. It's like the 83-year-old forgets when picnic needs to go back to school and uniform, new uniform no buy it, and the old uniform them no fit them again. And picnic needs shoes, and the shoes them mash up. And books have to pay for it. Like she don't know so them think they are serious something. It's like she don't know so for some people when bashment a keep a road and then can't do any hairstyle no right because they don't have the money to do it a serious something. It's like she don't know so new fridge for go in her house a serious something. Eh? It's like yo, it's like fear serious something and our cousin serious something are two different serious something. So here what lady do now? The cousin we're thieving money from our 83-year-old cousin. Here what she do? She not gonna take it little, you know. That's why I say some people don't have a heart. Some people not no conscience, man. My granny used to say have some conscience, man. Boy, me used to take a conscience. Although my name thief still, cause one time I didn't thief and they nearly kill me. My grandfather nearly killed me. But I want next story that. So me don't look and have a conscience as if you see 10 put on there. Take 5 and left 5 no man. Or take 1 and go back later and take 1. You know what a woman do? 1 go. Clean out everything. Only thing she left in there 120 Jamaican dollar. So when her 83-year-old cousin see it now, when she go check it one day, check your account and she see it, she nearly dropped down there and she has said to herself, 7.4 million Jamaican dollars. She has said, no sir, I don't mind balance this. Something must be very, very wrong. She contact her family and can't get no answer. Quick story. I do some business at Jamaica, right? And if you watch the channel long enough, you know say, and in Jamaica I live, but I go to Jamaica. See? But at Jamaica my place. So me and my cousin now, I'm just graduate you. Hey, big up yourself, cousin. Don't bring go when you see that one now. I just tell the people them. And I don't tell you already to your face so you know. Me and cousin said we are going to do some business, some commercial farming, right? We're going to start out and go into the thing. I say, alright. Me finance it from a a more bigger perspective then. And him gonna do him thing and put in him thing. The man said, after the what? A couple million we need to start up. And right away we need a vehicle. But start pre-thing and me I said, what we need vehicle for? We didn't even start yet. He must say, yeah, we need a vehicle cause we have it. And our thing never add up. So him get mad when me that tell him say, him not rob me. Cause me not allow myself to get robbed. No, me could have lose out for that 1 year because it's a youth will go so hard that if me they give me money, me sure saying that do something good with it and big with it. Although me still a invest but at a slow pace. Which is what this woman should have done. Anyway, he didn't rob me. But when me did tell him say is cause enough people me see invest in whole life savings, turn up your foreign and walk out in soul case. Cause yes, opportunity there, but they no fuck for slave you, you know. And one time they done slave you up here, you know. You pay back your whole of that in a doctor's bill, you know, and somebody take care of you till you're dead. So enough people me see come up here and walk out in soul case, you know, man. Man work all 2 job and 3 job, you know, man. And invest their money a yard, you know, and trust family. And you see when them go so, bam, and make a left turn and jump on a plane and reach a yard. Nothing no did there. The whole of their life savings gone. And murder, they want murder their own family member, man. So me I tell my cousin, say, Bridget, cause for him mother, for him father, and my mother are brother and sister from the same mother and the same father. So I'm a close cousin. My first cousin. You know what I say? We look alike and all them things there. So me I tell him, say, you see what the kind of love me have for you, dog? More than want to come Jamaica, come run you down and chop you up, man. Or pay a gunman for murder you, man. Cause me not take that lightly. I mean, not care if nobody want to say, me not care if nobody want to say a wickedness and money and you can make it. No, not after me put me trust in you. Not after I put me trust in you and put my whole life savings. I work all 30. This a woman at 80 sitting. You know from when he might walk out for him soul case for save 7.4 million? Eh? And you take you out of my account in a one go. And the disrespect for go left me with $120. What me for do with $120? What, open a new account? It's not even enough to open a new account. For some yo, people, wicked man. So people, like, comment, share and subscribe. What would you do? Especially the Jamaican them will live a foreign where I work up the money and I send them money go a yard, go invest in things and have family members that take care right. Or if you can see yourself in another position there. Because some of we not start it yet, but we have it planned. And some of we done start it already. And we investing slowly like I am. But me I go turn up me investing as time go by and trust is gained. And me see which part this a go. You see? So like, comment, share and subscribe. Most importantly, me I look for the dialogue. So to subscribe to the thing. But when I talk up the thing then, what would you do if I did feel 7.4 million she take out in a one go? SouFLoTV, man. See you next time, yeah? Peace.